In a previous video, we showed you how to register your software entitlement at Intel Registration Center. You initially received an email for each entitlement, and then once you registered the entitlement, you received confirmation emails. Now what we'll do is we'll show you how to register your devices against a specific product key. Because for facial authentication to work, the device serial number has to be married up or fingerprinted with the product key itself. So we've previously registered two separate product keys. There's one ending in EC455. This was a 50-seat license for anti-spoofing. And then we had one ending in D249. This was a single-seat license for facial authentication. We will start with the entitlement, the product key ending in 455. What we will do is we'll go to the action menu. We'll select fingerprint registration, and this tells us it's our anti-spoofing license, and we have 50 licenses, 50 seats available on this product key. And what it tells us is please enter the device serial number. Allows you to specify 50 at a time, and you can put commas, spaces, or new lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in 10 serial numbers here, and they are all unique except the last two, where I intentionally have these last two identical. All other 8 are unique as well. So what I'll do is put in 10, 50 are available. I hit register, and then it tells me fingerprint registration request has started successfully on the license 455. I'll get notified as soon as the activation is done. You will get notified by email. This fingerprint registration takes about 5 seconds per device. So we put in 10, it should take about 50 seconds and then a little bit overhead time for email. I'll close that window. We will do another registration example on product key D249, our facial authentication license, where we had one license with 1 seat. We will go to fingerprint registration, put in the serial number of the device we would like to fingerprint or associate with this product key. We click register, and again, another notification. You will be notified once the activation is complete. We have now received 2 new emails in our inbox. Again, the first 2 where you received the software entitlement, and the next 2 where we received the registration confirmations after we registered those entitlements. Those were in the previous video. Now it says fingerprint registration is complete. In this case, it was against product key 455, and then the other one, the other one is for the license ending in 249. And if we look at the emails, there is a CSV file that comes with each email. So if we look at request number 7, the previous email, request number 7 was our anti-spoofing license. We requested to register 10 devices. It shows 9 out of 10 were successful, as we expected, because the last 2 were intentionally duplicate serial numbers, and it shows the activation has failed on this last one because the activation already exists. This is absolutely expected behavior. If we look at request number 8, this was the registration on the single seat facial authentication license. This was the device we requested, and the message was success. So this has successfully registered. If we go back to Intel Registration Center, again looking at product key ending in 455, our anti-spoofing with 50 seats, we just showed that we successfully registered 9. So if we go back to fingerprint registration, our seat count has decremented from 50 down to 41. So we have 41 seats left we can do on this one. If we look at the other one, D249 or FA license that only had 1 seat, we no longer have the option to do the fingerprint registration because all licenses have been consumed.